In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Amazon Flex account in Canada. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Amazon Flex Canada. Now, over here, this will be the website, flex.amazon.ca, which is Canada. And then you want to click on the website. And then on here, you can see it says download the app to get started. But before you do this, make sure it actually is available in your location. So click on locations, top right, and click on all locations. And then on here, you can see locations where Amazon Flex operates in Canada. So you can see basically all the locations. And in case you are in that one of those locations, you can then go ahead and make your account. So the way you do this is you want to click on download the app to get started. And then over here, you'll basically get your link to either the App Store or Google Play. Okay, so you can also get the QR code, and then you can just scan this QR code, and it will automatically put you inside your app, and you can just download the app and then create an account. So before you do this, what's very important is that you have to basically comply with those requirements. So you have to live in a city, where Amazon Flex operates. So we just looked at that. You have to be 19 or older. You have to have a valid Canada's driver license. You have to have a mid-sized or larger vehicle, have an iPhone or Android smartphone, and then you have to pass a background check. So this is all it's going to take in case you want to actually get started. If you have any more questions, you can just basically call them to this number over here from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. ET, or contact them via this email address at the bottom of the page. Over here, they also have the frequently asked questions, so you can click on that in case you're interested. But if you are ready to actually create an account and you basically meet all the requirements down here, etc., what you can do, as I just showed you, you just want to go to either the App Store or the Google Play, click on that, and then from here, you want to download Amazon Flex. Now, once you do this, you'll be asked to basically create your account on your mobile device. I'm sure you know how to do this. Just download it, open up the app, and then it'll say create a new account. Just click on that, and from there, you'll have to select a location. Of course, you want to actually put in your location, so it's going to be one of these in case you want to do it, and you're inside Canada. It's going to be one of these locations over here, and yeah, that's pretty much that. So once you put that in, you're going to have to put in your details, and then just like this, you'll be able to create your account and then start using Amazon Flex to deliver. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.